Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects so many of us, especially as we get older: how to get that firm, youthful skin we all dream of. If you're a woman over 50, you've probably been told to drink tons of water for better skin. But what if I told you that drinking plain water might not be enough? In fact, it could be the reason why, despite all your efforts, your skin still feels dry, saggy, and less vibrant than you'd like. I know, it sounds crazy. You're doing everything right, you're hydrating, you're using good moisturizers, but the mirror tells a different story. You see those fine lines getting a little deeper, the skin around your jawline and neck losing its firmness, and a general lack of that radiant glow you used to have. You might think, well, that's just aging, but it's more complicated than that. The real culprit isn't just the number of candles on your birthday cake. It's about what's happening inside your body, specifically with your circulation. You see, after menopause, our bodies go through some significant changes. One of the biggest is a dramatic drop in estrogen. This isn't just about hot flashes. It directly impacts our skin's health. Estrogen plays a crucial role in producing something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like a superhighway manager for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow freely. This blood flow is essential because it carries all the good stuff, oxygen and vital nutrients like collagen, to every part of your body, including your skin. Here's the kicker. After menopause, our nitric oxide production can plummet by as much as 60%. When that happens, our blood vessels constrict. The superhighway turns into a bumpy country road with traffic jams. Even if you're taking expensive collagen supplements and drinking gallons of water, those skin-loving nutrients can't reach their destination, the deep dermal layer of your skin where collagen is made. Your skin cells are essentially starving, which is why your skin starts to look tired, dull, and wrinkled. Think of it this way. Hydration is about getting water into your system, but circulation is about delivering that water and other nutrients to your cells. You can't have one without the other. This is why so many anti-aging creams and serums don't deliver the results they promise. They're working on the surface, but the root problem is internal. The production of collagen is handled by tiny cells in your skin called fibroblasts. But without a steady supply of nutrients and oxygen delivered by good blood flow, these fibroblasts get lazy. They slow down their collagen production. To make matters worse, after menopause, the rate at which our existing collagen breaks down can increase by nearly 30%. So we're producing less and losing more. It's a double whammy that leads to that loss of firmness and elasticity, especially around the eyes, jawline, and neck. So if drinking plain water isn't the whole answer, what is? The secret lies in boosting our body's natural production of nitric oxide to get our circulation moving again. And we can do that by adding specific, powerful nutrients to our water. It's about turning your simple glass of water into a supercharged, skin-rejuvenating elixir. Let's talk about some of these incredible natural ingredients. First up is beetroot. You might know it as a vegetable, but it's a circulation powerhouse. Beetroot is packed with dietary nitrates. When you consume them, your body cleverly converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Studies have shown that beetroot can significantly improve microcirculation, which is the blood flow in the tiniest vessels that feed your skin. By reviving this flow, you essentially waking up those sleepy fibroblast cells and telling them to get back to work producing collagen. Next, we have the beautiful pomegranate. Pomegranate does something truly special. Not only does it support nitric oxide, but it also acts as its bodyguard. It helps protect the nitric oxide you have from breaking down too quickly. Plus, pomegranate is known to inhibit the enzymes that actively destroy your skin's collagen. So it works on two fronts, protecting your circulation booster and defending your existing collagen. Then there's watermelon, or more specifically, an amino acid found in it called L-citrulline. Your body is incredibly efficient at converting citrulline into another amino acid, arginine, which is a direct precursor to nitric oxide. In fact, taking citrulline is often more effective at boosting nitric oxide levels than taking arginine itself. Better nitric oxide levels mean better blood flow, which has been linked to improved skin elasticity and firmness. It helps bring that bounce back to your skin. Another fantastic ingredient from nature is pine bark extract. This stuff is amazing for the health of your blood vessels themselves. It helps repair and strengthen the lining of your arteries and capillaries, making them more efficient at transporting nutrients. Research on pine bark extract has shown it can increase skin elasticity by 25% and hydration by 8%, while also reducing the depth of wrinkles. It's like a complete tune-up for your skin's delivery system. Finally, let's not forget the basics. Leafy greens. A good quality leafy greens powder can be a game changer. Greens like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates, but also provide a cocktail of other skin-loving nutrients like folate, magnesium, and vitamin C. Vitamin C is particularly important as it's a critical component in the collagen synthesis process. These greens support your circulation health for the long term. Combining these ingredients turns your daily hydration routine into a powerful anti-aging strategy. Instead of just drinking plain water, you're giving your body the specific tools it needs to improve circulation, fire up collagen production, and deliver essential nutrients directly to your skin cells. This is what it means to heal and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. It's not about a quick fix. True, lasting results come from consistency. By making this small change, by supercharging your water, you're readdressing the root cause of why your skin isn't looking its best. You're moving beyond surface-level treatments and tackling the internal circulatory issues that come with age. When your skin starts getting the nourishment it's been craving, you'll begin to see a real difference. The fine lines will soften, your skin will feel firmer and more hydrated, and that natural, healthy glow will return. So let's stop thinking that more water is the only answer. Let's start thinking about making our water work harder for us. True anti-aging isn't about fighting the years. It's about working with your body to give it what it needs to thrive at any age. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gives you a new perspective on skin health after 50. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on aging gracefully and healthily. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.